Imagine this. You upload a video to YouTube. No fancy equipment, no million subscribers, not even a viral moment. Just you, your phone, and an iPhone. And then you wake up to $100 in your bank account. Sounds too good to be true? What if I told you that you don't need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, or even a single viral video to start making money on YouTube? In fact, you can do this with your very next upload. Stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize your YouTube channel starting right now. By the end of this video, you will know how to sponsor your own content, create irresistible offers, and turn your passion into profit. Let's get into it. I don't know what your New Year resolutions are, but I know that if you dedicate your time and effort into learning these skills, 2 hours of your time every day for the next 7 days, I guarantee you will make money in 2025, irrespective of your industry. All you have to do is turn your passion or expertise into profit just by leveraging the power of AI to build and monetize a successful faceless YouTube channel. In my course, Creating and Monetizing a Faceless YouTube Channel, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create high quality content effortlessly, proven methods to grow your channel for free, and monetize with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and more. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just get ready to transform your creativity into a revenue stream. Enroll now and start your faceless empire. Special discounts for my subscribers. The link is on the description. Hey there, YouTube fan. If you're new on this channel, I am Egwuonwu, but you can call me your content guy. And today, we're diving into something that's going to change your life. Yeah, seriously. If you've ever dreamt of making money on YouTube, but thought you needed 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, or a viral video to get there, I am here to tell you, you don't. By the end of this video, your YouTube channel will be monetized. Yes, even if you are starting from zero. So, grab some popcorn. Let's get into it. Step 1, the mindset shift. First thing first, let's talk mindset. You don't need to wait for YouTube to start paying. You can start making money with your very next upload. How? By sponsoring your own content. Sounds fancy, right? But don't worry. It's simpler than you think. But wait, what does it mean to sponsor your own content? What does it really mean to sponsor your own video? And no, we are not talking about getting a brand deal yet. This is about promoting something you offer, whether it's a product, service, or even a free resource. And the best part, you are the sponsor, you are the boss, you are the one making the money, which brings us to step 2, the power of lead magnet. Let's start with something simple, a lead magnet. This is something you offer for free in exchange for an email address. For example, if you are a photographer, you could offer a free guide on 5 tips for perfect lighting. It's valuable, it's free, and it gets people into your world. Step 3, how to create a lead magnet. Creating a lead magnet doesn't have to be complicated. You can use Canva to design a PDF, or you record a quick video tutorial. The key here is to give value upfront. Step 4, promote your lead magnet in your video. Now, here is the magic. In your video, casually mention your lead magnet. For example, if you want to learn more about lighting, check out the free guide in the description. Just like that, you've sponsored your own video. Step 5, the description box is your best friend. Don't forget the description box. This is where you put the link to your lead magnet, product, or services. Make it easy for people to find. If they have to hunt for it, they might give up. If you are just starting out, digital products are a great way to go. Think ebook, templates, presets, or online courses. They are easy to create, and once they are done, they can make you money on autopilot. Step 6, show, don't tell. No cho. Show workings. No cho. In your video, show your audience how your product works. If you are selling photo preset, show a before and after edit. If it's an ebook, give a sneak peek of the content. People love seeing results. And this brings me to step 7, the art of the ad read. Now, let's talk ad read. This is where you promote your product or service in the middle or end of your video. Keep it simple and natural. Just say, hey, I created this to help you, and here is how it can make your life easier. And you're good. And then learn from Jesus. Yes, really. Okay, stay with me here. In Matthew chapter 11, from verse 28 to 30, Jesus said, come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. What is he doing here? He is enrolling people with their pain, offering a solution, and making the path easy. And that's exactly what you need to do in your ad read. Start by addressing your audience's pain point. For example, struggling to create and monetize your faceless YouTube channel. I've been there too. This grabs their attention because they feel seen. Next, we'll be offering a solution. But what if I told you that there is a way to create and monetize your faceless YouTube channel without spending hours editing? Now they are hooked. They want to know more. Finally, make it easy for them to take the next step. Click the link in the description to start your journey on creating and monetizing your faceless YouTube channel. This is simple, clear, and actionable. And number 8, affiliate marketing. Another way to monetize is through affiliate marketing. Simply promote a product you love and earn a commission for every sale. For example, if you are into tech, share your favorite gear and include affiliate link in the description. Build a community around your niche, whether it's a Facebook group, Discord server, or email list. Having a community allows you to go deeper with your audience and sell directly to them. If you are an expert in something, offer consultations or services. For example, if you are a home decor guru, you can offer a free design consultation. Document the process and turn it into a lead magnet or even a paid service. If you're not sure what will work, test different offers. You can try a lead magnet one week, a digital product the next, and see what resonates with your audience. The key is to keep experimenting. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Your first lead magnet doesn't need to be a masterpiece. Just get it out there and improve as you go. Leverage your expertise. Think about what you're already good at. Are you a great cook? Create a recipe ebook. A fitness enthusiast? Offer a workout plan. Your expertise is your gold mine. People love stories. Use stories to sell. Share how your product or service helps someone. For example, one of my clients used my photo preset and doubled their Instagram engagement. Stories build trust and make your offer more relatable. And number 9, be consistent. Consistency is key. Keep creating content, promoting your offers, and engaging with your audience. Over time, the money will follow. Remember, YouTube is just one platform. Build an email list, grow your social media, and diversify your income streams. This way, if one platform changes its algorithm, you are not left high and dry like dry fish. Learn from others. Study successful YouTubers in your niche. What are they selling? How are they promoting their offers? I'm not saying you should copy them, but learn from their strategies. Self-improvement. Invest in yourself. Invest in courses, books, or coaching to improve yourself. The more you learn, the more you will earn, and celebrate small wins. Got your first email subscriber? Celebrate it. Made your first sales? Do a happy dance. Small wins leads to big success. Be patient. Monetizing your channel takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep going and you will get there. Ask for feedback. Ask your audience what they need. Their feedback will help you create better offers and content. Stay authentic. Don't try to be someone you are not. Your audience will connect with you more if you're authentic and genuine. Lastly, have fun. If you are enjoying the process like I am, it will show in your content and your audience will love you for it. All right. It is time to take action. Start by creating a simple lead magnet. Mention it in your next video and link it in the description. Remember, You don't need a huge audience to start making money. You just need to start. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you will create to sponsor in your next content. I can't wait to see your success story. Until next time, keep creating, keep hustling, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.